What's up, guys? I'm Luke, and you are watching The Creative Way. So today we're going to be doing another Minecraft plugins showcase, and this time we are going to be doing something called GadgetsMenu. It is literally the best cosmetic plugin out there. It has so many cool features. But before we begin the video, I just want to remind you guys that most of you are not subscribed. I'm not even joking. This YouTube analytics is telling me that over 97% of you are not subscribed. So if you could please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button if you like this video, that would mean a lot to me. And share this video with your friends because I am really trying to grow my channel. And I think that it would be great if I could keep doing these and other videos in the future. And let's get right into the video. I have configured this a little bit, and I'll go over the config in a little bit, but right now I just want to, showcase what this is looking like so far. So I set up this mystery vault, and basically when you get a mystery box, it will show up here. So let me do mysteryboxes, or mystery box give lwpAwesome, and then we'll do 5. Gave 5 mystery boxes to lwpAwesome. Now I have 5 mystery boxes, and they all come in different qualities. And if you play on the server for enough time, then you will receive mystery boxes. So here is one that's 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 2 stars. And so if we go ahead and we can open multiple boxes, and then we can open all of those boxes at the same time or one individually, then it says we got 70 craft coin, which I set up the currency for that, 163 pet items, and then we got an epic cowboy gadget, epic reindeer hat, epic cookie fountain gadget, rare gold block hat, common embarrassed hat. So those are everything we got from the mystery box. And so I've set this up so that it says cosmetics right here, and then it shows you how much of the currency you have. Right now we have 19,664. So if we go into the cosmetics menu, we'll start off with the hats, and this is highly configurable. I will show you that, but as you can see, there's 3 entire pages of hats. So let's go ahead and we'll put on the snow globe hat. As you can see, we now have a snow globe hat, and we can easily just reset our hat just like that, or we can reset our entire cosmetics and it will take everything away from us. You can set these up so that only certain ranks can have certain things, or you can make it so that if we wanted to, like if we wanted to buy this, we would have to have a certain amount of craft coin, and that is usually already set up with their currency called mystery dust, and they use that to craft the different cosmetics that you can have. But I use craft coin because that is my server's official currency. So let's move on to the animated hats. I'm going to put on the traffic light animated hat because it'll turn yellow and then green and then back. It's just really cool. All of these are super cool. The next is particles. There are tons of different particle effects here. We can do angry villager particles, which just float above our head like we're super angry. And you can choose your specific effect here in the GUI. You can use the water splash particles, and see those are dripping up all around me. Next is suits. So let's say we wanted the frog suit. We can just select all of these, and we could equip the entire suit as well. And now we are a frog just like that. And there are tons of different suits, like the disco suit, which I think is super cool. It changes colors, just like kind of like the disco armor if you've ever played Lucky Block of Bed Wars in Hypixel. And I think it's super cool. They have basically remade the entire plugin by Hypixel of their cosmetics, and if you're really into Hypixel and you want to have this on your server, this is definitely the plugin for you. So I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but there's a free and a premium version. This is the premium version right now. I will have the links to the free and premium version, as well as the wiki, down in the description box below. And let's test out some gadgets. These are super cool. So let's get the trampoline gadget. And now we will test out our trampoline gadget, just like so. And we are bouncing, guys. This is a super cool plugin with so many different features, including all of these gadgets that we can choose from. Let's actually go ahead and choose maybe I really like the Pocket Beach gadget. So let's actually just go on to our beach here. As you can see, we are on a nice little pocket beach right here. We've got, some water, we've got a beach ball, and we've got our nice umbrella, as well as we're sitting on a chair. So all of these gadgets are super cool. One of my favorites is the DJ booth gadget. When you click it, it creates a DJ booth. Oh, it says I must be on the flat ground. Here we go. And literally, there's a disco floor with whatever song you want. This is another one, Bites the Dust. And so you can actually do different songs right here with the radio gadget. If we click on it, we can play Everybody Dance Now if we want to. So there are just so many cool things here. Now this is where it gets really interesting. Here's our little snowman pet right here. And as you can see, there's our snowman right there. He is looking very nice. One of my favorite pets that I actually renamed was my baby playful panda. His name is Sunny. And you can easily rename your pets just by going here and entering your name. And it does support color codes as well. So I'm just gonna rename him to Sunny, just like that, and he will be renamed. As well as you can send your pets on a mission, and if you right click your pets inside of the pet menu to feed them, and you can increase their happiness. So you have to have a happy status in order to send them on a mission. So let's right click it and we will feed. They like it. Nice, very nice. Let's see if we can send it on a mission now. So if we go into our pet menu, let's send our pet on a mission. They earned 600 EXP from the pet mission, and you can level up your pet that way. I think that is super cool that you can just send your pets on a nice little mission to level them up. The next thing I want to show you guys is the miniatures. These are super cool. There's tons of different ones. One of my favorite is the Iron Golem because, there's an Iron Golem head, and then it has a suit of armor on, and then it's got, a nice little poppy in its hand, and it just follows you around wherever you go. And it just floats around you, and I just think that is super cool. The next thing is banners. So if you have a suit or something like that, it will actually take it off, but we can use the pumpkin banner if we would like to. And as you can see, we have a nice little banner above our head like that. Next is emotes, and there is the sleepy emoji, and we can equip this emote just by right clicking, and we are sleeping just like that. So I think that is super cool, and it gives us a custom name right above our head. It gives us a Z. Alright, so probably my favorite thing and the most amazing thing that I've seen in this plugin is the cloaks. So I love these cloaks. They just float around you with different particle effects. When you move away, they follow you around and come back wherever you are. And it's just super and highly customizable. Here's one of my favorites as well. This is the Shaman Cloak, and it's really great because I just love all the particles that it gives you. I think it gives you just such great choice. It's literally like a cape on our back, which is super duper cool, guys. And it updates when we turn as well. So they did an amazing job. I have an outdated version of the plugin, but if you get the newest version of it, it will have a morphs menu where you can actually go and be different animals inside of the plugin. Which is super cool. So you could fool some people. You could walk like a cow around your server if you wanted to. And so let's head right into config really quickly so I can show you how to configure this plugin to make it fully customizable to whatever you want for your server. This video is sponsored by Songoda. Songoda is the one-stop shop intended to make finding the ideal plugins for your Minecraft server simply. They uphold reasonable and just business practices by acknowledging client and creator feedback and are continually improving their platform. Make sure you guys check them out with the links below to find unique plugins for your Minecraft server. Okay guys, so right when you get into this plugin, you will see there are 5 different YML files for you to edit just inside of it, so let's go through those. The config is a decent length for config, and you can enable and disable cosmetics just like this, and you can set it so they can purchase the item with their mystery dust currency or whatever you set it to. Right now I have the mystery dust storage set to vault, and the default will represent the mystery dust that they already have built into the plugin. But since I have it set to the vault economy, then it will use the vault balance and money and the essentials economy that comes with that. So you can enable and disable cosmetics. There are so many different cool settings. Max pet name characters 20, starting mystery dust if you want to add starting, so I could do like 100 and they would start with 100 craft coin in my store. I would rather have it in slot 2. Here we go. Mystery vault animation is super cool, I showed you that right at the beginning, and you can set that to none, countdown, star, crafting, summer, Halloween, holiday. So if you were in the holiday seasons, you could add holiday as the countdown. Default self-morph view, true. So when you morph into a different mod, then you can, or a different mob, then you can use the default, and you can actually see yourself in that, and you can enable it, and that will be automatically enabled in the GUI. I showed that. So here, display the player name above the mod disguise. So I'm actually gonna make that false because I might want to trick some people on my server. And enabled mob disguise damage, yes. So and it will disable the damage of the mob if it is disguised. That's not a problem because we already have a great protection on our server, so we won't be able to do that anyway. Auto equip after purchase, so if they purchase something, then it will be auto equipped. And there are just a couple of different settings. Show cloak effect to everyone, show particle effect to everyone. Auto equip on loot found, so if you find loot from the mystery box, it will automatically equip that for you as well. You can hide the particle effect for a vanished player, which is super good. So if you want to have some particles and you're vanished on your server, then you can also do that. So here we get into the menu item. The name is cosmetics because I changed it to that. It is usually gadget menu, and the material is a chest, and it is usually another star. So slot 0 through 8, it is slot 0 right now. And it gives it when they join the server, just like that. And if you do left and right click, then it will be able to open the GUI. So here we go. So the craft coin, I have made the lore craft coin, and then it points to the currency that we have right now. And this is just the lore of the item, if you were able to see that. These are enabled worlds, and you can enable it just in your world and not in your world nether or your world at the end, which is great if you have a multi-world server and you only want it to be enabled on a couple of worlds. That is perfect for you guys. You can disable all of these by just turning them to true, and they will be disabled. You can sync the cosmetics that were last, that the player had last on, and I think that's super cool. So if they had on a hat from last time, they'll have the hat when they join again, which is amazing. So here we go. We're getting into the, if they don't have the permission to get the item, then it will show the status is locked, and they will not be able to get the item. And you can edit the sound and the custom item, which we have as gray dye. So when they don't have the permission, or when they have not bought the item yet, they will just see gray dye instead of the item that they've unlocked. And when it is after they purchased it, it will say status unlocked, and that is super cool, guys. So the discount of the item when after a player purchased, it is enabled, so that is good. Crafting mystery boxes, you can craft mystery boxes right now, but I think I want to change that to false because I want you to just earn them by playing on the server. So here you can do the discount rates. For VIP, it's 20% off, and for MVP, it is 40% off, and you can set whatever is for the default, for the VIP, and for the MVP, just like that. And it will open up the, this is the execute commands when they click on it, and it will open up the menu.yml. And so here we go, disabled commands, hat, age, sell, basically, like, these are the commands that you can set so they won't work within the plugin. And you can unequip online players' cosmetics. You can clear the cosmetics, yes. So you can do that if you would like to. Minimum TPS. So the player must have a TPS of 17. If they do not, they will not be able to equip the cosmetics because it will cause lag. And so this is the anti-lag filter. And you can disable cosmetics with the world guard, and you can list the regions there, and you can disable that certain hats and certain cloaks and things. So just like that. And messages, basically, you could just edit the messages of what it says. And this is a really big config. And so basically, I just went in here and changed everything from mystery dust to craft coin, and I just edit it like that. So here's the pet system, and the happiness is okay, happy, very happy, super happy. There are tons of different things you can set in here, and there are lots of different things that you can do with the pet system. The mystery vaults, so right now I have our mystery vault set at X0, Z0, and Y106, and it faces west. So if you wanted to, you could easily just copy this and just paste it and create another mystery box just like that. if you don't want to have to do it in the server. Then you can go into the categories folder and you can actually edit whatever type of cosmetic you want. I just grabbed cloaks here so I can show you what it is. So you can edit how much it costs, what the material is, what the name is, what the lore is, and you can change and add things just like that. And it says the yin and yang cloak. The material is a head number. I think it's called head database, and you can just get the head. If you want the yin and yang head, then you can just get that like that. And so I think we are going to add our config back to the server and reload the plugin, and then I will show you guys what we have done. Alright, so we are back on the server, and I'm just going to go ahead and reload the cosmetic plugin just by doing gmenu reload, just like that, and it will reload the plugin just like that. And it's telling me that I do have an old version of the plugin. Yes, I know, and I will definitely update to the newer version. So if we look, so if we look here, as you can see, these have all been saved, and what we did to the config is all in here, and we have our cosmetics and our craft coin just like that, and it is really just that simple, guys. And this plugin is super great for servers. It is just like the Hypixel plugin for cosmetics, and I just think it is a great plugin for you to use on your server. So if you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. That would really mean a lot to me. And as always, I will leave all the links and to the plugin and everything else down in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!